everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw the Grinch. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the bottom of our Grinch's hat. And the bottom of his hat almost looks like a cloud. So I'm going to start on the left side of my paper, and I'm going to draw an arch line like that. And we're going to continue this pattern across our paper. And my little arches are all going to be different sizes. All right, and once you do the top, we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Perfect. All right, now for the top of his hat. I'm going to start on the right side, and I'm going to draw an angled line up. And then on the left side, I'm going to draw a longer angled line up. It's going to go all the way up and then curve around. Like that. All right. And then where this shorter line is, I'm going to go right above it and draw a line to finish the bottom part of my hat. And then right here, we're going to give him another little pom-pom at the end of his hat. And then I'm going to draw just a few little lines to make the hat look like it has some wrinkles in it. Now let's draw the Grinch's face. I'm going to start on the left side, underneath the hat, and draw a little line out like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on the right. That's like the top part of his head. And then let's jump back over here to the left side. And we're going to draw his cheeks. I'm going to draw a line out and in, out and in, out and in. Because he kind of has like fuzzy cheeks. And we're going to do the same thing on the right. So start right here on the bottom of this line, and we're going to draw a line out and back in, out and in, out and one more time. Perfect. All right, now to help me draw the bottom of his face, I went to like the center of his face and went all the way down here, and I drew a dot. Because now we're going to start here on the left side, and we are going to do a curved line, and it's going to meet that dot. And we're going to do the same thing on the right. We're going to do that curved line, and it's going to connect with the side of his face. Perfect. Okay. Next, let's draw his eyes. So the Grinch has like funny little eyes, and he's got some really big eyebrows. So let's start with his eyebrows. I'm going to do a curved line like this, and it's going to go up and around. So start at the top, come down, curve up, and around. And then the same thing on the right. We'll start up here, curve line down, up, and around. And then right above this line, we're going to make his actual eyebrows. And let's draw a line up, and it's going to come down, kind of just like his cheeks. Up and down, up and down. And on the right side. And there we go. All right, now let's go to the center of his face. And you see kind of where this curve of his eyebrow is. We're going to go below that, right about here. And I'm going to draw a curved line up like that. Same on this side. So kind of start down here, curve line up. And that's going to help us draw his eyes. So start right here where his eyebrow ends, and we're going to draw his eyes. So it's not quite a full circle. And then it's got like a half circle that connects to the top with a little highlight in the middle. All right, and on the right side, we're going to start right where the eyebrow ends. Curve line. Another curve line. And that little half circle. Perfect. And then right in the middle, we'll draw his nose. And his nose, we're going to start right here, draw a curved line up and down. And same on the bottom. And I'm going to leave this part open. And then we're going to do that same line, but make it go sideways on both sides. All right, last part, let's draw his mouth. And just like we made the dot at the bottom of his chin, I'm going to go right at that dot and go a little bit above it and put another dot. And that's going to be the bottom of his mouth. So the Grinch has like a big smile. And I'm going to start here on the left and draw a line that kind of follows his line for the bottom of his face. Same on the right, start all the way up here, almost close to his eye. It's going to curve around and connect. And then he has a line going right below his nose that connects to that point. And then at the top of his smile, we're going to draw just a little line like this. All right, I think our Grinch looks great. Now let's color. Our Grinch looks amazing. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. It's time to give our Grinch some Christmas cheer. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.